Happy Sunday, you guys. So we are back at CVS for the second week of this 2-week ad. So like normal, I'm going to go over all the new deals and deal updates at the beginning of the video and then all the repeat deals at the end of the video. Before we get into the deals, I wanted to show you guys an unboxing of some new high quality affordable jewelry that I got from Shop LC. If you know me, you know that I love collecting high quality jewelry pieces, but of course I'm always looking for the most affordable option and a discount code. So Shop LC is perfect if you're like me and you like to wear 925 sterling silver, gold pieces, lab-grown diamonds, gemstones, moissanite, and things like that. I also love that they have their purchase feeds initiative where every single purchase of jewelry goes to feeding a hungry child. I got a total of 3 jewelry pieces and then I also got an accessory. I do not have a travel jewelry organizer, so I got one from Shop LC, super affordable, under $8 to take with you on the go to store all of your rings and bracelets and necklaces safely inside. All the jewelry pieces I got using discount code SAVE26. Right now that takes off 26% off of your entire order. So if you're wanting to purchase some high quality pieces, you can use that code to save extra money, which I love because it's saving money on their already low prices. The first thing I got was this solid sterling silver 925 chain circle bracelet. Love it. I wear pieces like this all the time, so it's going to go perfectly with my bracelet stack that I normally wear out when I'm getting dressed up. I love this piece because you can wear it every single day or you can wear it dressed up to go out. I have a lot of similar bracelets to this that I can stack together. I love that it's solid 925 sterling silver, so it's gonna last a super long time, never gonna tarnish. And it was only $59.99 regular price plus the extra 26% off with that save 26 code. I also got a new sterling silver ring. I have a lot of them and this one is super unique. It's like a rope or like leaf inspired sterling silver ring. I got this one in a size 6 and it was only $49.99 plus an extra 26% off again with that code. For sterling silver, it's so pretty. I love it. It's gonna go perfectly with my ring stack. And finally, the piece that I'm most excited about, again, to add to my sterling silver ring stack, I got this 925 silver with lab-grown diamond ring, and it was only $100.99. Of course, with that 26% off code, it would be super duper affordable, and I love the lab-grown diamonds on it. I love the way that everything looks together. Honestly, this would be a full, complete jewelry set for me to wear out just like this with these 3 pieces. If you're like me and you're looking to save money in the long term by investing in high quality pieces that are also affordable, they're going to last you a super long time, I would highly recommend checking out Shop LC. I'll have a link in the description box down below and in the pinned comment along with that SAVE26 coupon code to save 26% off your entire order. Let me know what you pick out in the comment section down below. First, getting into the new deals this week. So we have a $3 CoverGirl Ibotta rebate up to a limit of 2. So now it's actually a pretty good deal grabbing one of these CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus liquid eyeliners at $8.79. And then one of these CoverGirl Perfect powders, clean powders, that are $8.99. So those two together would total $17.78. And we do have a $2 digital coupon for the eye and for the face products. So I'll take off $4 and you'd be left to pay $13.78. And then you're going to earn back $5 in extra bucks for buying 2 of these. And you can, again, submit to Ibotta for $3 back on the eye product and the face product. It's up to a limit of 2 for this rebate. So after getting back the $5 in extra bucks and $6 on Ibotta, it's going to make these 2 products just $2.78. And of course, you can swap out these for any face and eye product that you personally need. You can grab pretty high value products and still get them for a pretty low final out-of-pocket cost after the coupons, the extra buck, and Ibotta. And of course, if you don't have Ibotta, I'll have a link in the description box down below and in the pinned comment to get a $5 bonus when you sign up and submit for your first Ibotta offer. Deal update thanks to one of you guys who commented in last week's video for the 9off2 Nexus coupon. They are attaching to the travel size mousse and the travel size hairspray at my store. They are $5.29 each. So grabbing 2 of those totaling $10.58, you pay just $1.58 after that 9off2 digital coupon. You can grab 2 of either the men's or the women's Nivea body wash that are $5.99 and buy 2 and you get back $5 in extra bucks. And we have a $2 digital coupon. So for 2, you pay $9.98, get back that $5 in extra bucks, making 2 of them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. Deal update on the Tresemme hair care that are at my store, spend 10, get 3, but at your store and like other stores that have the ad extra care buck deal. They should be buy two and you get back $4 in extra bucks. If you grab two of the shampoo or conditioner at $7.29 each, totaling $14.58, you can use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $10.58, get back your $4 in extra bucks, and then you could submit to Fetch Rewards for 1,500 points back on each of the shampoo and the conditioner, getting back about $3 in points on Fetch, making your final cost for two Tresemme shampoos and conditioners just $3.58. This week, the Polident are buy two and you get back $4 in extra bucks. So you can grab two of them at $3.59 each, totaling $7.18. You'd pay that, get back the $4, making two of them $3.18. We do have an unadvertised spend $50 and you get back a $15 extra care buck gift card promotion. So I do not have a visual for this. However, I do have the full list from another store that I went to that was tagged with the spend 50 get 15. So it includes Aeropostale, Chili's, H&M, Maggiano's, Panera Bread, the Papa's restaurants, Regal Cinemas, and Under Armour. So again, spend 50 and you get back $15 in extra bucks. That is a super high ratio percentage of extra care buck versus spend. So highly recommend doing that deal and picking up some gift cards for either birthdays or holidays or to spend yourself, because it's great to get back those extra bucks to use for your couponing. We did just get a $5 CRT good on any L'Oreal facial care, so you can grab the toner at $8.59. Using that, you pay just $3.59. Otherwise, you can also grab some of the cleansers as well that are priced around $9. That'd be a good deal using that $5 CRT too. You can pick up two of the 25 count Neutrogena makeup wipes that are $6.99 each. They're on promotion for buy two and you get back $6 in extra bucks, and we do have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So using that, you pay $9.98. After the $6 in extra bucks back, it would make two of them just $3.98 or $1.99 each. And check your Fetch, because my Fetch did have a points back offer valid when I spent, I think, $22 on Neutrogena products. So it's worth to scan in your receipt and start working on that bonus for some bonus points that you can redeem for gift cards. The Axe body wash are buy two and you get back $4 in extra bucks at $6.29. You can grab two of them totaling $12.58 and use a 5 off 2 digital coupon, and you pay $7.58. After the $4 in extra bucks back, it would make two of them just $3.58. The Banana Boat and Hawaiian Tropic sunscreen are spend $20 and you get back $10 in extra bucks. So what you can do is grab one of the liquid sunscreen Banana Boat at $12.49 and then one of the aloe or after sun lotion at $8.99. So those two would total $21.48, and you can use a 4 off 2 digital coupon, which will leave you to pay $17.48. You'll get back your $10 in extra bucks, making both products just $7.48. Select Nexus products are buy two and you get back $5 in extra bucks, and included are the masks. At my store, they're priced at $7.29 each, so two would total $14.58. We do have a 9 off 2 digital coupon that's attaching to these, so you'd pay $5.58 and then earn back your $5 in extra bucks, making two of them just 58 cents. An amazing deal this week. On these travel size dry shampoos, no extra buck coming back, but they are $6.79 each, and the 9 off 2 digital coupon is attaching. So that would make two of these just $4.58. And by the way, I love this dry shampoo. It's perfect for traveling. This week, Garnier Fructis are $4.49 and buy two and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So grabbing two totaling $8.98 and using a 3 off 2 digital coupon, you pay $5.98, get back your $3 in extra bucks, making two of them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. Tresemme is buy two and you get back $4 in extra bucks. No idea what my store has. Spend 10, get back 3. In the ad, it is buy two and you get back 4. They are $6.49 each for the cheapest, smallest size hairsprays. So you can grab two of them totaling $12.98 at $6.49 each and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon, which will leave you to pay $8.98. You'll earn back the $4 in extra bucks for buying two, making your final cost just $4.98 for two or about $2.49 each. The Gillette Foamy Shave Creams are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two and you get back $4 in extra bucks. So you can grab two at $3.79, totaling $5.68. You pay that, get back your $4 in extra bucks, making your final cost for two $1.68. Instead of doing the Gillette Foamy deal, you can also grab one of the Gillette disposable razors and one of the Venus disposable razors. They are on the same promotion. The cheapest ones at my store are $8.59 each, so grabbing one of the Gillette and one of the Venus would total $12.88, and we have a $3 digital coupon for the Gillette disposables and a separate one for the Venus disposables. So you'd pay $6.88 and then earn back the $4 in extra bucks for buying two, making your final cost for both packs of razors just $2.88. We have such a good deal on these Listerine Cool Mint breath packs. They are $7.29 each in my store, and buy one and you get back $4 in extra bucks, and we have a $2 digital coupon. So you'd pay $5.29, get back the $4, making one of these 3 packs just $1.29. Another way that you can use the $2 coupon is on these big bottles of Listerine that are on sale for $8.99. Buy one and you get back $4 in extra bucks. So after the $2 digital, you pay $6.99. After the $4 in extra bucks back, it would make one of these big mouthwash just $2.99. You can grab one of these Sensodyne Pro Enamel Kids toothpaste at $4.99. We have a $1 digital coupon that would leave you to pay $3.99, and these are buy one and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So after that extra buck back, it would make one of these just 99 cents. The Colgate toothpaste as well as Tom's and Maine toothpaste are spend 10, you get back $5 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2 of the Tom's at $7.99, totaling $15.98, and use a 5 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $10.98, get back $5 in extra bucks, making the 2 of them just $5.98 or $2.99 each. Axe deodorant are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2 and you get back $2 in extra bucks. So grabbing 2 at $6.99 each and using a 7 off 2 digital coupon, you pay $3.48, get back that $2 in extra bucks, making your final cost for 2 just $1.48. The all detergent and pods are on sale for $5.29 each, and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So you can grab one of the liquid and one of the packs, totaling $10.58. You'd pay that, get back $3 in extra bucks, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on the liquid. It's a limit of 1, and $1 back on the pods. It's a limit of 1, making your final cost for both of these just $5.58. The smaller bottles of Persil detergent are on sale for $5.99 each, and buy 2 and you get back $4 in extra bucks. So grab 2 totaling $11.98. You pay that, get back your $4 and 50 cents on Ibotta for one of them, making your final cost for 2 just $7.48. The Ajax dish liquid is on sale for buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So grab 2 totaling $5.23. You'd pay that, get back your $3 in extra bucks, making 2 of these just $2.23. The Suavitel is buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So grab 2 of these at $3.59, totaling $5.38. You pay that, get back $3 in extra bucks, making 2 of them just $2.38. We have a really good sale price on the Arm & Hammer liquid detergent as well as the Arm & Hammer laundry pods. And also included in the $1.99 sale are the OxiClean sprays and stain treatments. That's a really good deal because the normal cost for these is quite a lot, like $5. So a great time to pick any of these products up on sale. YWEKTYQ are on sale for buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2 and you get back $2 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2 of the BioCare pads at $6.99 each, totaling $10.48, and use a $1 digital coupon. You pay $9.48, get back your $2 in extra bucks, and then you could submit to Ibotta for $2 back on each one for the BioCare, getting back a total of $4 on Ibotta, making your final cost for 2 packs just $3.48, which is a great stock-up price. The General Mills cereal are on sale for $1.99 each this week. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon, which will leave you to pay $2.98 for 2 of them, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 2 boxes, making your final cost $1.98 for 2 or 99 cents each. And make sure to check out Fetch because Fetch has a ton of offers on General Mills cereal right now. Okay, so I did 2 transactions today, got the Listerine strips and the Axe deodorant. My coupons came off. I used $4 in extra care bucks to pay, paid about $4.75, got back $6 in extra bucks. So in total spent out like close to $9, around $8.75 out of pocket, got back $6, making my net cost just $2.75 or right around there. Then I rolled my $6 in extra bucks into a clearance dog toy, so not really counting that into the cost of this transaction because it was just something I wanted to pick up for my dog. It was on clearance in the pet aisle. So I always pick up clearance toys for my dog. It's like a little tradition that I have. And then I also did the Nexus travel size hairspray deal that were $5.29 each and used my 9 off 2 digital coupon. So basically it was just rolling my extra bucks that I earned from transaction 1 to pay for something that I needed. I always recommend doing that if you need to pick up milk or water or anything that's on sale, something that your family uses. I recommend rolling your extra care bucks. Don't ever let them expire, and don't ever spend them on things that you really don't need. Always use them if you have them and they're expiring, or you just have extra ones on one of your accounts. Use them to grab things that your family needs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS deals video. Let me know what you're picking up this second week of the ad. I'm very curious of what you're doing this week. I will catch you guys in next week's video for a brand new 2-week ad.